Today, let's learn how to write consonants and vowels. I've prepared a special gift for you. This is a special Hangul writing workbook just for you. You can download it using the link in the video description below. You can also use a regular notebook, but practicing with this material I made will be much more easier and more convenient. So, check it out. Starting with ah. Writing Korean is very easy. Top, down, left to right. So, in this case, write a vertical line first, then add a short horizontal line on the right side. Ah, ah. I'll write it 2 more times. Ah, ah. Great. Next is ya. Similar to ah, but there is one more short stroke, right? Write a vertical line first, then add 2 short horizontal lines on the right side. Ya, ya, ya. Great. Now, all. Top down, left to right, right? So write a short horizontal line on the left side first, and then add a long vertical line. All. One more time. All. Great. For this vowel, yo, it is all with an extra short horizontal line. Write 2 short horizontal line on the left side first, then add a long vertical line, like this. Yo. 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 Moving on to O sound. O. For this vowel, round your lips, but open your jaw to make more space inside your mouth. O. O. Top down, left to right. So, write a vertical line first. Write a short vertical line first, then add a horizontal line below it. O. 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 Great. For this vowel, U, it is O with an extra short vertical line, right? So first write 2 short vertical lines first, and then add a long horizontal line on the bottom. U. Left, right, top, down. U. U. Great. U. For this vowel, round your lips like this, but close your jaw to make less space inside your mouth. Ooh. Ooh. So, write a horizontal line first, then add a vertical short line below it. Ooh. Ooh. One more time. Ooh. Great. Are you following me? Yeah? Are you writing down by yourself? Great. Next vowel. U. 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 Write a horizontal line first, then add 2 vertical short lines below it. U. 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 Great. Next, 2 more vowels left. So easy, right? What is the sound of this vowel? Right. Just a horizontal line in the middle. That's it. So easy. Great. And what is the sound of this vowel? Awesome. E. Just a vertical line in the middle. That's it. E. One more time. Great. Good job. 잘했어요. You did a great job. It's easy, right? 아, 야, 어, 여, 우, 요, 우, 유. 으, 이. Great. Now let's learn how to write these consonants. 화이팅! 하나, 둘, 셋, 화이팅! Let's recap the sound of the consonant one more time together with me. 그, 기타, 느, 노트, 느, 다이빙, 레몬, 마이크, 바나나, 스포츠, 스. You know, it's very special, so it doesn't have a sound. It works as a placeholder. Next consonant. Juice, 즈. And what is the sound of this consonant? 치, 치즈, 치. How about this one? Great. 크, 커피, 테니스, 피자, The last one? 햄버거, Great. Now let's write the first consonant, 그. To write 그 sound consonant, use one stroke. Start from the top left, draw a short horizontal line to the right, and then continue downward in a straight vertical line. Like this. 그. Left to right, top down. 그. Great. When writing the 그 sound consonant, the top right corner can be rounded or sharp, and the angle doesn't have to be exactly 90 degrees. All of these styles are still 그. Okay? For example, think of the uppercase letter L in English. The angle doesn't always have to be a perfect right angle. Everyone has their own writing style, right? It depends on the font or someone's preferences. It's the same in Korean. When writing the 그 consonant, the angle doesn't have to be a perfect right angle and the lines don't have to be exactly horizontal or vertical. Okay? Next, 느. 느 also takes one stroke. Start from the top, draw a vertical line downward, then curves to the right into a horizontal line. 느. Top, down, left to right. 느. For 드, use two strokes. First, draw a horizontal line in the upper side from left to right, then draw another line down and to the left. 드. Great. 르. There are three strokes. First, left to right, top to down, like this. Second, draw a horizontal line. The last stroke, top to down, left to right. This is 르. One more time. 르. 무. Use three strokes. Draw a vertical line on the left, then add the line left to right, top to down like this, and finish it with a horizontal line on the bottom. 무. Great. Next is 부, which takes four strokes. Draw two vertical lines at the left and then right. Draw two short horizontal lines in the middle and at the bottom like this. 부. Let's try it one more time. 부. Great. For s sound consonant, use two strokes. Draw a diagonal line downward on the left, then another diagonal line on the right, like this, like an upside down V shape. s, s. One more time. S. By the way, everyone's handwriting can look a little different. Some people write it like this, and others write it like that. My style is this one, the last one, s. From now on, I'll write s like this, like the last one. Next one. This vowel works as a placeholder, right? We don't pronounce it. To write this vowel, just simply draw a circle. Very easy. One more time. Great. Next is zhi, which uses 3 strokes. Draw a horizontal line at the top and below it. Draw a diagonal line downward on the left side and then another diagonal line on the right side, like s sound consonant. So, zhi, zhi, zhi. There can be various styles also. Someone can write it like this, and someone can write it like this. My style is the last one. Let me write it one more time. Zhi. Great. For ch, use 4 strokes. There is 1 extra short stroke on the previous vowel, top to down, left to right, so draw a short vertical line and a longer horizontal line at the top. Then, draw 2 diagonal lines downward to the left and right. Ch. Ch. One more time. Ch. Similar with zhi, there can be these kind of styles. I prefer the last one. Let me show you one more time. Got it? Great. Ch. This is my style. And for k, use 2 strokes. First, write g sound consonant like this, and then add a short horizontal line in the middle. K. K. One more time. K. Great. Next, t. T uses 3 strokes. Write 2 horizontal lines on top and middle, and then write the last stroke top down and left to right, like this. T. 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 Great. For p, use 4 strokes. Top down, left to right. Horizontal line on the top, 2 short vertical lines in the middle, left to right, and then the last horizontal line on the bottom. P. 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 Finally, the last one. H sound consonant uses 3 stroke. Top down, so right short vertical stroke and longer horizontal stroke, and then draw a circle in the middle. H. H. One more time. H. Someone can write it like this also, and it's me. It's my style, and I prefer this style. Which style do you prefer? Great. One more time. Good job. 잘했어요. Have you tried writing all the consonants and vowels by yourself? If you'd like some feedback, take a picture of your writing and send it to this email. Check this email. Great. We've learned so much in this video already, and in the next video, let's dive into syllable blocks. See you in the next video. 잘 가요. Goodbye.